Hi friends, welcome to Programming Languages for Civil Engineering students. In this video, I will discuss what is GUI. I will demonstrate with a simple example. Okay, let us first how to open the GUI. Just you type GUIDE in command window in Matlab. Okay, just you enter. Then you'll get a pop-up menu, a pop-up box like this. Then you click blank GUI. Okay, blank GUI. Okay, then you'll get a box like this. Okay, a window like this. Then you can see here, this is the user interface. You can see here. Then you can see here, there are some toolboxes are there in order to develop a GUI. Okay, these are toolboxes, and I will explain what is this push button, slider and radio button, checkbox, edit box, static text and pop-up menu, list box and toggle button, table, axis, panel and button group, and everything I will discuss in my in upcoming videos. Okay, uh, at present let us see uh, an example. Just I have already developed by using this GUI. Just what I did is just okay, just you can see here. Okay, now this. Okay, you can see here, just you click on this. See, you can see here, these are axes. Okay, these are axes: axis 1, axis 2, axis 3, axis 4, axis 5 and axis 6, and these two are push buttons. This is push button 1 and this is push button 2. Okay, okay, let us briefly explain. I will explain in GUI. Okay, guide. Okay, you just take this axis. You can see here, you can see here axis. Okay, you can see here axis. Okay, before that you have to go for tools and you go for GUI options, and you can see here resize behavior, non-resizable or proportional. Proportional means after by selecting this proportional, we can minimize or maximize our GUI. Okay, please remember this. Okay, then you select this axis, just you drag this. Okay, similarly you take another axis. This is axis number 2. Similarly you can take this axis 3. Okay, axis 3. Similarly axis 4. Similarly axis 5, then axis 6. Okay, then axis 6. Okay, okay, and we have required 2 push buttons. Let us say this is let us take push button. Okay, this is push button 1, and I again take another push button. Okay, this is push button 2. Okay, this is push button 2. If you want to change this name of this push button, just you double click the left button of the mouse. Okay, just you click, then you can see here, you can select the background color. You can okay, green color. Then you can change the font. Let us, I am taking 10. Then font weight I am taking bold. Okay, and push button name, you can give any push button name. Okay, I am giving ground. Okay, EQ data. Okay, earthquake data, something like that. Okay, something like that. And okay, no problem, you can remain the tag. Okay, no problem, tag is same, push button 1. Similarly you can see here the color is changed. Similarly for push button we have to give you get to change the push button, just earthquake data name. Okay, just, and you can see earthquake data. Then similarly here also we have to change. You can change the color or you can keep as it is. Okay, I am keeping as it is. Okay, you change the font size and the font weight. Okay, then push button, you can change push button name. Let us say response graphs, response spectrum graphs, response spectrum graphs. Okay, response spectrum graphs. Okay, as it is, you remain everything. Okay, you remain. Okay, see, you can see here. Okay, sorry. And you can change response spectrum graphs. Okay, response spectrum graphs like this. Okay, remain as, okay, like this. Okay, then you can see here response spectrum graphs. Then what we have to do is just we have to save this. Okay, how you have to save means just you click on this. Before that, we have to change these ones. Browse earthquake data for easy understanding. Browse, browse earthquake data. Okay, browse earthquake data, and you can change this like this. Okay, whatever it may be, you can change. Then okay, after you have to save. Okay, after saving, then and looks like this. Okay, before that we have to change, we have to assign the damping values. Let us say first you take the static test. Okay, this is the static test. What is this static test is? Just to write any name. Okay, just you static test damping ratio, you can type here damping ratio. Okay, damping ratio. Okay, anyway, remain as it is. This we have to remain. Okay, then we have to change the font size and color. You can keep any color as you like, and everything is fine. Okay, bold. So you can see here damping ratio. We have to select some other nice color. Okay, damping ratio. Then we have to select for a pop-up. This is what you call pop-up menu. Okay, this pop-up menu, just pop-up menu. Okay, just this is also we have to change. So after doing everything, after saving, then we'll get after saving we'll get a response, a script file like this, automatically generated. But here we can see here, this is the push button one. Browse the earthquake data. This is the push button one. Okay, here is the push button one, and this is the push button. This is the push button 2. Okay, push button 2. Then we have to write a particular code in this push button 1 to just like to get the graphs. Okay, to get the graphs in that particular location. Let us say this is the all axis included in this push button 1, and these graphs, this axis 4 and axis 5 and axis 6 are included in this response spectrum graphs. Okay, this is push button 2. Okay, this is push button 1. Okay, we have to define everything first, and we have to write a code. Okay, we have already developed a code. Okay, we have already developed a code like this. You can see here the user interface looks like this. Okay, let us close first this, and you can run your M file first. Okay, save first this and you run. Then you can see here it looks like this. Then you just select your damping, that is 0%, 2%, 5%, 7%, all. I am selecting all. Let us browse earthquake data. Let us okay, you browse Booz earthquake. Okay, you can get here your acceleration and velocity and displacement. Okay, time history a particular earthquake in terms of velocity, displacement. Okay, then you select response. If you want to get the response spectrum graphs here in this axis boxes, just you browse, you push this push button. Okay, just you select this response spectrum graphs button. Then you can select any earthquake data. Let us I am taking the Booz earthquake, same. Okay, it takes some time. Okay, it takes some time. See, In this way we can easily create you can easily create this GUI in a very easy way. Okay, but we require some patience and some practice, some interest. Otherwise you cannot, you think that this is waste of time and it is not useful, and you think like that. Okay, so in this we see we got response spectrum graphs here. You can see here response spectrum graphs in terms of displacement, velocity and the acceleration. So in this way we can easily create an app by using this Matlab GUI. Okay, especially some of the softwares are commercial. We sometimes we don't have money or to purchase those software, so that we can easily develop our own codes uh, with a .exe extension also. That is app. We can create our app also by using this Matlab programming language. Okay. So anyway, but you require some patience, practice and some interest. Otherwise you cannot learn this GUI. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching watching this video. If you have any doubts, please put in the comment box and I will answer as far as possible I can. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.